welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to be doing a set of nude leopard print nails, and this was for the Charlie's Nail Art Collab. The theme for this collab was animal print, so I had this gorgeous silver leopard print transfer foil from Charlie's, and I thought this is the perfect opportunity to use it. So you'll see there I have applied the base coat to these tips, and now I'm going in with this Mapphie gel polish, which is one that the lovely Sarah sent me from Pumpkin's Nail Station, and it's colour 022. I really like these Mapphie gel polishes. They level so beautifully. I really like them, and this colour's really pretty as well. And I don't know whether any of you have noticed yet, but this one's a little bit of an exciting one for me, because this is my first set I've done on my new practice hand. It took a little bit of getting used to, if I'm being honest, guys. I'm so used to putting the tips in the lamp, where this I've got to hold the lamp over the hand. I mean, I could put the hand inside the lamp, but it would just mean me taking the hand on and off the clamp, and I just don't want to be messing about doing that. I just think it's going to be a lot quicker to do it the way I'm doing it and hover the lamp over the hand. So that's the way I'm going to be doing it. So that's all those 3 nails, had 2 coats and fully cured. Now I'm using my favourite glue gel of all, the Makartt foil glue gel, and I'm applying that to the ring finger, and I'm going to apply it to the whole of the ring fingernail. Now Makartt suggests you cure this glue gel for 30 seconds in an LED lamp. Now I've got a 45 watt LED lamp, and I find 45 seconds is better than 30 for me, so it depends on your lamp as to how long to cure it for, but I did apply a little bit too much here. You see I'm trying to take some of it off, because you want to apply an even layer. And now I'm going to pop that foil onto that cured glue gel. Now I always try and line it up first before I pop it on the nail, and then I always run my finger down the middle and then do the sides. Now don't worry if you get any creases in it, because you can always get them out with your nail or a silicone tool. I should have probably got my silicone tool for this one, but I didn't get that out till later for some reason. I just find working with my fingers is, you just got more control over it, to be honest. But this foil glue gel is absolutely amazing. Now if you want to see a video of how to apply these transfer foils from Charlie's Nail Art, if you head over to Charlie's YouTube channel, she's just put a video out recently, and it's a really good in-depth video of how to apply this transfer foil. So I shall leave a link to that video pinned in my comments. Now look at that, guys. Near on a full transfer that was. There's a tiny little bit at the bottom there you'll see that I obviously missed when I was rubbing. So I'm just going to line it back up. That is the good thing about this transfer foil. You can line it back up and just stick it back to the nail and rub over it, and it will stick. Providing you have got some glue gel on the area and you haven't missed it when you're applying the glue, it should stick. There you go, look at that, guys, beautiful. Now I'm applying that glue gel to the tips of the other 3 nails, but I'm applying it at a bit of a slant. And I'm going to do the ring finger and middle finger going this way, and then the pinky nail I'm going to be doing it going the other way. You'll see what I mean in a second. And I'm just applying that with the brush out of the bottle. I did make a bit of a mistake here. I should have gone in with a matte top coat before applying this. It would have stopped any of the foil sticking, because I've still got that tacky layer from the gel polish. Luckily enough, this gel polish hasn't got much of a tacky layer, so I didn't get too much on where I don't want it to be, if that makes sense. But if you do get any foil on the nail where you don't want it to be, just go in with some alcohol on a little brush of some sort, and it'll just wipe straight off anyway. Now that's all the transfer foil applied. I'm now using some silver striping tape, which is also from Charlie's Nail Art. And I'm just going to separate that gel polish and foil with this striping tape. And this stuff's really fiddly. Really fiddly. So now I'm going in and trimming the edges of that striping tape. Now when you trim the edge of this striping tape, you want to cut it just slightly short of the edge of the nail. So when you go to top coat over it, it will be encased inside the top coat. Because if that striping tape is longer, there's no chance of that top coat being sealed. So it'll end up peeling your top coat eventually, so just always make sure you cut it slightly short of the edge of the nail. So now I'm using my Naio Nails Urban Graffiti Ultra Matte Top Coat, and I'm going to be sticking that leopard head charm into this top coat. Now if I was doing this on my nails or somebody else's nails, I would probably apply this with gem glue or clear polygel, but because I'm only doing this on tips, I've just stuck it into the matte top coat for now, and that'll just hold it in place. And you'll see there I just flash cured that top coat just to stop it sliding off the nail, that charm. And now I'm going to apply this matte top coat to the rest of the nails, and that'll be this set all done, guys. So I really hope you like them. If you do, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you would. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell, that way you will never miss an upload. Also, like I said at the beginning of the video, this is a set that I did for the Charlie's Nail Art collab. So I'm going to leave the link to Charlie's Nail Art website in the description box below. And you'll also see that I've pinned it in the top left hand corner of the screen along with my discount code. So if you do head over there and place an order, don't forget to use that code and save yourself 10% off, which is always a bonus. And while you're over there, check out everyone else's designs as well. There was some really, really pretty designs. So that's everything for this video. Thank you ever so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.